Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if Google Chrome, upon opening up, opens up unwanted websites in new tabs. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the settings icon at the top right corner of the Chrome browser, and then select the settings option near the bottom of the menu. You want to scroll down on this page until you get to advanced and left click on it. And then scroll down near the bottom again, and underneath reset and cleanup, restore settings to their original defaults. Go ahead and left click on that. This action will reset Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts. It will disable extensions as well as deleting cookies and other temporary site data. Bookmarks, history, and saved passwords won't be affected. And you can send the statistics over to Google as well. I'm going to uncheck that for this tutorial, but you can keep it checkmarked. It doesn't make a difference either way in the outcome that we are looking for here. And go ahead and left click on reset settings. Once you're done with that, close out of here, restart your computer, and that should hopefully be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.